Today we will learn how to combine multiple Excel files into a master Excel files. So I have four of these form that I received from different people through my email. So my task will be combine these four Excel files information into a master one. So each of the Excel file have the ID, full name, email address, phone number, position, city, then roles, notifications, etc. And for the city, I have like Knoxville, Chattanooga, Memphis, 123 something. So this is a dummy one. And for the roles, I specify weather, rest area, sports like that. Uh, okay, so I'm opening a new file. And from the new file I'm pressing data tab, then get data from file and from folder. I pressing OK. Then it loads all the files, 1, 2, 3, 4 files, and I'm pressing combine and load. Okay, so they generate a file is, and the name of this file is first file. This is the my inputted file, and they generate the first file. And in the sheet 1 file you can check that these are the information we are looking for. Press OK, and then they will bring all the information in this file. Alright, we got the information here. So these are the source name, ID, full name, email address, phone number, position, city, roles, and notifications. If you don't like to have this one, you can delete it. Okay, so yeah, so in this way you can combine thousands of files into one file. Thank you.